Okay, it's time for me to check in with Charlie at Nature's Outlet and chat about my progress with PGX.
Okay, Lisa, you've tried PGX and you've taken it now for about 2 weeks. So tell me what's up.
I'm having success with it. I'm doing the capsules, I'm doing the shakes, and it fills up my stomach.
So you're not
and
as hungry.
I'm not as hungry. I'm not eating as much. I've noticed that.
Well, we saw that because we just went to lunch.
Right.
You ordered a whole lot of food. Not a whole lot, but a pretty good lunch.
Yeah.
And you ended up eating 4 bites of soup and then you were done.
And that was because I had the shake this morning, and it's in my system, it's filling up my stomach, and therefore I don't take in as much.
And to that, the people that are really losing the most weight, our customers, are the ones that are incorporating the shake in the morning. There's a couple of things there. First of all, just by eating breakfast, if you go from not eating breakfast to eating breakfast, your metabolism, the amount of calories you burn in a day actually goes up. You also feel better. It's a healthier thing to do. But that shake is also, it's protein based, and getting you protein in the morning, it also revs up your metabolism. You feel more alert, you feel better. So I recommend the shake to people that, especially if they're trying to get faster results.
Well, I do notice I have more energy. So I have the energy. Now, the other thing that I noticed, though, is that I have a slightly more, I guess you could say, bloated feeling, and you say that's normal?
That is normal, and initially that's a frustration for people, some people anyway.
Right.
Now, the key to that is you want to, we talked about being patient.
Right.
You want to introduce the product slowly, okay?
Right.
And you want to drink a lot of water when you do it. And that bloating thing diminishes over time as your body gets used to eating more fiber. And some of that's just being full. You're full. And that physical fullness, your body actually secretes hormones saying, hey, don't eat, I'm full, which is what happened when you got to your soup.
Right. Well, I definitely noticed that feeling of fullness so much more quickly now since I've started taking these. And I have to say that I've been doing I started with the vanilla and then I went to the chocolate. It's like drinking chocolate milk. I love it. Plus you do the shake cup and shake it up really good. Very satisfying, really fills me up.
Good, good. Okay. You're going to do this until the end of March, right? Is that the idea? And we're going to come and we're just going to see how it goes.
Right.
Are you weighing yourself every day? What are you doing?
My gauge for this is actually a pair of jeans that I used to fit into, and I haven't been able to fit into, I would say, for the last year. So that's going to be sort of my measurement. You know, people are asking me, they'll see me, they'll say, are you losing weight? Where are you? And I'm like, not really weighing myself. I'm using a different gauge for that. Is that okay to do that?
You know, we didn't talk about that.
Yeah.
And probably we should have, but that is awesome because I do not like the daily weigh-in thing because people's emotions get attached to numbers.
Right.
And the body does different things on different days. There's variance. It's not really good. What we should be looking at is like what you're doing. You got your skinny jeans.
Right.
And maybe maybe next time we're on air, you should bring those in. We'll take a look at them. And then we'll see maybe the last time we shoot at the end of March, we'll see if you can put them on and if it works.
So the whole world will know if I'm wearing my jeans, whether this has worked or not. It is working for me so far.
You're now committed, aren't you?
I am.
Yep. So, but yeah, avoiding the scale, using clothing as a guide, using how you feel as a guide, those are better ways to go. And really, if you have a bad day, you have a missed meal, it's going to happen. You go out and you drink some wine or something like that.
Or do the drive-through?
Well, try not to, but if you have to, look, don't say, oh, well, I guess I'm done, it's over. That's the wrong mindset. The right mindset is, I'm doing this for a long period of time, I'm changing my habits over time, and I'm just going to get right back on the horse, so to speak.
And don't let one setback throw it all off.
Right. And you should actually have an occasional reward kind of meal or just on occasion, allow yourself to do that. You know, because if you tell yourself you're forbidden from doing stuff,
that's not good.
You're working against yourself that way.
So it's all about moderation.
Yeah, and patience.
And PGX.
And PGX.
All right, they have 3 locations throughout the region. The Roanoke number is there on your screen, and you can go to naturesoutlet.com. We'll be back in just a moment.